Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Southwest airline plane tickets online in 2023. Southwest Airlines is a well-known American airline famous for its excellent customer service and affordable fares. So in this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of booking your Southwest airline plane tickets with ease. So let's get started and let's make your travel dreams a reality. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and visit the Southwest Airline website. To do that, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you'll have to simply go to the URL section. Simply here, you'll have to type southwest.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will take you right away to the home screen or main screen of Southwest Airlines website. And of course, if you don't know much about this airlines, you can scroll down and read more information about it, as you can see using those links from here. And you can even see the reviews of it online on this airline, so you'll be sure of that, because a lot of people may be unsure to take plane tickets from this airlines if they don't know much about it. So of course, as you can see, you can go and check that out. And of course, if you have an account, you'll have to go and log in into it. And if you don't, you can go and create an account, because this will prevent you from doing the step of entering your personal information while you're buying your tickets or your airline tickets. And now, as you can see from here, if you want to get a flight, a hotel, a car, or vacation, depending on whatever suits you, you'll have to go and check or click on the option that you want. In this video, as we said, we want flight. So here, you'll have to choose first if it's a round trip or one way. Is this a one-way trip? So you're just going to some place, you're not going back, maybe, or it's a round trip. You're going and then coming back. So I'm just going to click on round trip, and here the depart, I'll have to type, of course, the place that I'm going to depart from. So as an example, I'm just going to type here Texas as an example. And let's say from here as an example, and on the arrive, I'm just going to type, I don't know, whatever here. So let's say California, if we find it here, or San Diego, why not? It's not going to be a big deal. And here, of course, the depart date. So I'm just going to choose an example, the last day of this month, and of course, the return just going to be the last day of the next month. Passengers, here you can choose from adults, teens, children, and the children on age 0 to 4, excluding lab children, and lab children is going to be under the 2 of age. So let's say 2 adults or just 1 adult, why not? And of course, if you have any promo code, you can type it out here, so you will have a lower fees or lower price. So I'm just going to hit the search button and see what flies we have on that date from those 2 places. So as you can see, we have those flights right here. You can go and check whatever suits you, or get whatever suits you depending on whatever you want. So you can even use these filters all day, before noon, noon to 6 p.m., after 6 p.m., and arrival time, price, duration, stop. So let's just see that depending on the prices. So as you can see, this one, the duration is 7 hours. It will start from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. And let's say, as an example, we have here a lot of plans. So we have the business plan, the anytime, wanna get away plus, and wanna get away. So the cheapest one is going to be this wanna get away, and the best plan, of course, is going to be the business selection. Those plans depends on the features that comes with the flights. So you'll see that after you select whatever plan you want. So as an example, I'm just going to get this plan as a business one on this time exactly. And as you can see, this plan will be refundable, priority boarding, and priority lane and express lane. For this one, you will simply have refundable early bird check-in and free same-day change, standby, taxes, and fee may apply. For this one, non-refundable, free same-day change and standby, and transferable flight credits. And the cheapest one, non-refundable, 2 bags fly free, and no changes, no cancel fees. You can even go and get like upgrade. They will just ask you if you want to upgrade for a better plan. So for me, I'm just going with this business one, and simply as you can see, uh, once I click on it, I will find all the features that I want here. So now I'll have to select for the return. Same, I'm just going to select like sort by price. And here as an example, the cheapest one, I'm just going with the cheapest one, which is this one. Of course, the same plans or the same features that comes here. So just click on continue. And let's just wait for the page until it loads. And once we are here, as you can see, you will have to pay this amount, but you can get like minus $200 if you get like a $200 statement credit card and one or 10,000 rapid reward. If you have like the Southwest credit card, you can apply now if you want to. So as you can see, after for purchase and after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. But if you don't want to get it, you will have to pay for this. And as you can see, this is the subtotal with this is the tax and fees. So for me, I'm just going to click on continue here. Once I do so, as you can see, I'll have to fill like the personal information of mine. But if I already logged in into my accounts before, I'll not have to do that because this will normally be filled already. I'll simply have to go to the last step, which is going to be the payments. So as you can see here, I'll have to enter my payments informations. If I want to pay with my credit card, if I want to pay with PayPal, I can do so. As you can see, I'll have to simply enter here the email address, and we can even pay like with Uplift, pay monthly from $26 if I want to. So once you do so, of course, once you fill all your informations, of course, you'll be able to pay it. But before like paying, make sure to review every detail about your flight, if it's good, if it's not, if it suits you. So make sure to review everything so you will not have any trouble with them in the future. So once you're secured and you check that you have everything corrected, even the personal information, make sure to review that also. Make sure to simply go and enter your credit card details or whatever you're going to pay with and pay for your flight. After that, you can even, as an example, do the check-in online if you want on the Southwest airline, or you can even go and do the check-in in person. Whatever suits you will be good. Once you do so, you will have your plane ticket and you will be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully booked your Southwest airplane tickets online. And you're all set for your upcoming journey. Southwest Airline user-friendly website makes the booking process seamless and enjoyable. So be sure to verify all the details before finalizing your payment. So thanks for watching for this tutorial, of course, or thanks for watching this tutorial, and we wish you a fantastic level experience with Southwest Airline. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.